Sorry, guys. Ooh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Go, but over here. Woo! Shot, wait. What do I have to do? What do I have to do? There's always something I have to do. Go on, aim. What kind of game doesn't let you... There we go. Who to shoot next? Who to shoot next? Who to shoot next? Ooh. Outlaw. I'm going after you, Outlaw. Butt face. Bam! What? No, no, wait. It didn't work. It didn't work. Gotta get that loser over there. Just get him to stay in place. So I think, okay, there we go. Perfect. Perfect. I got you right where I want you. Oh! Boom! Look at that. Look at that. That was awesome. That was awesome. Woo! That was sick. Sick. That's what I'm saying. I don't want to be a street thug. I didn't know that. No, I won't be a street thug. I won't be a street thug. Oh, look at that. That's cool. Brass knuckles. 45% chance of killing you. Shocker, 75 chance. Oh, so this is the main menu. That's kind of cool. Let's see what our gift is today. That's not a gift. Okay, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed watching the Contract Killer. If you enjoyed, I will continue. If you don't enjoy, I will not continue. And I'll try to find a way to delete these videos off. So, thank you guys for watching. Oh, and also let me know how you record on Apple. Leave it on the comment section below, because I have been trying to find a way really bad, and I need to know. So thank you guys for watching, and bye. Oh, and also if you want to play online on Apple, there is this thing called multiplayer Minecraft for Apple. It doesn't work for Android. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching, and bye. Hope you enjoyed.